Goodbye, Proteinuria. 3 bedtime drinks seniors must have, and 4 you should never touch. Every night, millions unknowingly harm their kidney health with innocent bedtime drinks. Here's the science few know. Your kidneys work in 2 shifts. Daytime, busy filtering waste at full speed. Nighttime, slow down by 15 to 20%. Not a shutdown, just a natural rest. At night, vasopressin hormone says, conserve water, concentrate urine. Kidneys stay active but are vulnerable to sudden loads of minerals, toxins, or fluids. Which evening drinks do you think hurt this repair crew? Tell us in the comments. Your insights build our learning community. Tonight, we'll reveal 4 drinks that disrupt your kidneys and 3 hero drinks that repair silently. Stay for the top hero. It's key to turning sleep into kidney repair. This info is based on peer-reviewed studies, no marketing fluff. We give you science to make smart health choices. 4 drinks that worsen proteinuria. Number 4, alcohol. Evening wine may relax you. Some say moderate drinking helps heart health, but after dark, it harms kidneys. Alcohol causes dehydration by blocking hormones that keep water. It makes waste thick and hard to filter. It also raises blood pressure, beating on delicate kidney filters, triggering proteinuria. A 2023 study with 20,000 people found blood pressure damage starts with the first sip. An Australian study of 6,000 people over 5 years found drinking 30-degree alcohol daily increased proteinuria risk by 59%. No safe amount for kidneys except 0. Swap wine for sparkling water with berries and unsweetened cranberry juice. If you drink, know a standard drink is 5 Oz wine, 12 Oz beer, or 1.5 Oz spirits. Avoid pouring twice 1 pour, often becomes 2 or 3. Drink water between alcoholic drinks. Avoid alcohol 3 hours before bed. These tips lower risk but don't make alcohol safe for kidneys. Avoiding alcohol at night is best. Number 3, coconut water. Praised as pure hydration and tropical health symbol. Great for most, but watch seniors with kidney disease. Coconut water is high in potassium, 600 milligrams per 8 Oz glass. Seniors lose 1% kidney function per year after 40. Many take meds that reduce potassium clearance. Excess potassium at night when kidney work slows can be dangerous. For stage 3 to 5 CKD or potassium limits, this 600 milligrams load risks hyperkalemia, heart arrhythmia, muscle weakness, cardiac arrest. Better to choose cucumber water, chamomile tea, or diluted cherry juice at night. Healthy kidneys manage potassium well, damaged kidneys struggle. Number 2, whole dairy milk. A traditional bedtime drink trusted for bones, but risky for kidneys at night. Milk contains protein, phosphorus, potassium. 8 Oz has 250 milligrams phosphorus, nearly 400 milligrams potassium. At night, kidneys slow down, so this mineral load stresses filters and causes wear. Swap to unsweetened plant-based milks like oat milk, only 80 milligrams phosphorus per cup and lower potassium. Studies show soy protects kidney function better than dairy, especially for diabetics, top CKD risk group. If you must drink dairy milk, limit to 4 Oz nightly. Number 1, commercial sweetened drinks, sodas, energy drinks, fruit juices. Hidden kidney threats in plain sight. A 2024 UK Biobank study with 192,000 plus people found 1 serving per day raised CKD risk by 45%. Fruit juices especially risky due to fructose. Unlike glucose, fructose produces uric acid during metabolism. Uric acid inflames kidney blood vessels during kidney's vulnerable night phase. Diet colas add danger. A study showed 2 or more colas daily doubled CKD risk, whether sugar or artificially sweetened. Phosphoric acid additives also harm kidneys. Check labels. Avoid high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, phosphoric acid. Best drink? Plain water with lemon or berries. It's normal to feel overwhelmed. This clarity is power. Now, meet your kidney allies. 3 drinks fighting proteinuria at night. 3, peppermint tea. Helps digestion, easing bloating and gas that force kidneys to work overtime. Menthol in peppermint relaxes digestive muscles, shifting focus to repair. Rosmarinous acid fights oxidative stress in kidneys. Use only pure peppermint tea. Avoid if you have acid reflux or gallstones. Drink 1 cup an hour after dinner. If on blood thinners, consult doctor. 2. Pure tart cherry juice. Rich in melatonin, improves sleep quality. Also anti-inflammatory, reducing kidney irritation that causes protein leakage. Caution: high concentration can lower kidney blood flow in damaged kidneys. Use only under doctor guidance. Start with 1 to 2 Oz diluted 2 to 3 hours before bed. 1. Water and infused water. The ultimate hero. Studies show drinking enough water suppresses vasopressin, lowering kidney pressure. Less kidney stress means better overnight repair. Large studies show nearly 50% lower CKD rates in high water drinkers. General advice: 8-10 glasses daily, but follow doctor restrictions if CKD. Aim for pale yellow urine. Make hydration a ritual, add lemon, cucumber, berries for flavor. Drink last glass 1 to 2 hours before bed to avoid night bathroom trips. Avoid these 4 disruptors: alcohol, coconut water, whole milk, sweetened drinks. Embrace the healing trio: peppermint tea, tart cherry juice, and pure water. Partner with your body's rhythm for kidney health. Consult your nephrologist before changing evening drinks, especially with stage 3-5 CKD or other health issues. Which ally will you try first? Share below. Your story inspires our community. Thanks for joining this journey. Hit like and turn on notifications for more life-saving info. Watch our linked video to spot kidney failure symptoms early and act fast. Stay informed to stay healthy.